Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I will be sharing 10 lines essay about the mosque. Number 1. A mosque is a sacred place for Muslims. Number 2. It is a place of worship. Number 3. It holds religious significance. Number 4. People visit the mosque to offer prayers. Number 5. They are often decorated with beautiful artwork. Number 6. Donations are made for mosque upkeep. Number 7. They can be large or small in size. Number 8. They play a central role in Muslim communities. Number 9. Some mosques are open for visitors to learn about Islam. Number 10. It can be found all over the world. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.